Ladies and gentlemen, I've put together an awesome selection of prompts for SEEDANCE 2.0 just for you to help you create these kinds of cool cinematic action scenes with all sorts of chases, destruction, and monsters. And the coolest part is that you can use yourself as the main character in all these videos, which is really awesome. The quality and dynamics are simply indescribable. And by the way, we're going to do all of this on Syntx, and right now there's actually a contest going on at Syntx where they're giving away $10,000. All you need to do is submit a dynamic, cool video like this and you might win a cash prize. There are a lot of prize spots, so everyone has a pretty good chance. I'll be honest, I'm going to participate too. Oh, and by the way, we're also giving away 5 Pro subscriptions to Syntx in our community. Our partners at Syntx have kindly provided us with as many as 5 Pro subscriptions so that you can take part in all this awesome activity. Friends, to participate, you absolutely need to register on Syntx using this specific link. There's no way around it. So, scan the QR code, for example, with your phone, follow the link and log in there via Telegram or maybe through Gmail, or just with any email. It only takes a couple of seconds and that's it. You can get started, you can take part in this whole celebration and put everything to use. Now I'll show and explain everything step by step. Once again, we're going to do this on SEEDANCE 2.0. It's a new, awesome model that creates really cool scenes like these. Just look at the quality. I'll turn off the sound now. Honestly, calling this awesome is an understatement. And then some kind of monster pops out in the end. Of course, you can adjust all these prompts to suit your needs. Look, it's all very simple. You just upload any of your own photos here. But not just any photo, of course. In a couple of previous videos, I explained and showed how to create a storyboard with yourself in the main role. So you need to upload any of your photos to Nana Banana and ask it to make a storyboard with you in different poses and from different angles. That's it, you upload it here, then copy one of the 9 different prompts that I left for you in the comments to this video on YouTube. So just open the comments on YouTube and you'll see all these 9 prompts there. Copy any one of them and paste it in. And now we get this kind of combination. So you have your photo, or rather the storyboard from your photo, and then the prompt follows. You don't have to edit the prompt, but you can if you want, it's in English. This way the neural network understands better, although Syntx does automatic translation. So if you write something in Russian before sending the request to a particular model, Syntx automatically translates your request into English. So it doesn't matter, you can even write in Chinese. Okay, all of this happens, I remind you, in the video section. Here, be sure to select the SEEDANCE 2.0 model, specifically this version. In general, it's possible to create videos in up to 1080 pixels, which means full HD. I still use 720 since it's a bit cheaper that way because the coins get spent pretty quickly on all these generations. Okay, make sure to use Pro mode because honestly, in my opinion, fast mode produces weaker results. Pro mode makes it incredibly cinematic and professional, just the way we like it, like a real movie. You see everything shattering into pieces, things are happening from all sides, and there's some kind of intense action and destruction going on. And all of this, friends, looks absolutely stunning and impressive specifically in Pro mode. Next is the aspect ratio. You can choose any format that's comfortable, but I go with the cinematic 16:9, the standard. Actually, you're even watching this video on YouTube right now in the 16:9 format. And then, the duration. I choose 15 seconds. I realize that's quite a lot, it's long, but I make a selection of results with a single prompt right away. Then I cut them up and make a full-fledged video, for example, for 30 seconds, right? So I make several attempts of 15 seconds each and just cut out the best frames from them. This way, I end up with a complete video where everything is harmonious and beautiful. And of course, I include audio because without sound, well, it just doesn't feel right at all. Of course, listen to all of this with sound, it's so cool. The soundtrack fits perfectly with everything. That's it. After this, we send our request and receive a finished video with ourselves in the starring role, just to remind you. Look at how well it preserves a person's appearance. I'm talking about SEEDANCE 2.0 right now. Look at how high quality and harmonious it is in maintaining the appearance. Of course, no neural network today, at least for video generation, can preserve a person's appearance this well. The main thing is to upload this kind of version, specifically from different angles. That's quite important, friends. And you can do this through Nana Banana. Everything you need is right here on Syntx. To put it simply, all of the necessary tools are available right here, so let's create, produce some cool and impressive content, and participate in contests. Let me remind you that Syntx gives away cash prizes right here on their platform. You just need to go to the contest section here. And as for 5 Pro subscriptions to Syntx, I'm giving those away myself directly in my Telegram channel. So join my Telegram, you'll find all the necessary info there. Anyone can easily participate, just send in your awesome work and of course register using the very same link I showed at the very beginning of the video. And of course, my friends, do check out my courses too, which are currently available with some fantastic spring discounts. There's a link as well, actually all the links to Syntx, and if you don't want to scan the QR code, all the links, absolutely all of them, are in my channel description. So just go to my YouTube channel, and at the top you'll see all the necessary links. Man, this looks so cool. My friends, honestly, I am truly impressed by all the amazing technologies and possibilities that neural networks offer us today. It is insanely cool, and it is incredibly high quality. Of course, you really need to learn how to use all of this, my friends, because otherwise you might just end up being left behind by history. Whether you're an artist, a video maker, a designer, or just a modern creator in general. Alright friends, I wish you a great mood. Let's level up together. I'll see you in the next video. Let's go.